Searching for a hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin C feels like reading the same script 5 times. Every bottle says brightening, anti-aging, hydrating, but which ones actually deliver? The real difference isn't in the claims. It's in the formula, stability, and how it actually works with your skin type. Product number 1, Equalberry Illuminating Serum. This Equalberry serum caught my eye because it's not just another basic vitamin C. It uses acerola cherry, which is packed with natural vitamin C, plus 5 ceramides and 8 types of hyaluronic acid. At $19.99, it's mid-range, but feels premium. If you want deep hydration with real brightening power and sensitive skin-friendly ingredients, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combo of niacinamide 4% and arbutin 2% targets dark spots without irritation, while the multi-weight hyaluronic acid penetrates different skin layers for lasting moisture. It's EWG verified, unscented, and free of silicones and parabens, so even reactive skin types can use it daily. Over 100,000 bottles sold last month shows people are seeing results. Now, some people complained about the dropper being messy or hard to control. Here's the thing though. It's a small trade-off for such a clean, effective formula. Just be careful when dispensing. This is perfect for you if you have dry or sensitive skin and want to glow without redness or stinging. Skip this one if you hate dropper bottles or prefer synthetic fragrances. For under $20, it's one of the best value clean beauty options out there. Product number 2, True Skin Vitamin C Serum. True Skin Serum stands out because it uses sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable, gentle form of vitamin C that won't oxidize quickly or irritate your skin. Priced at $21.99, it's slightly pricier, but backed by clinical testing and made in the USA. If you've tried other vitamin C serums that turned orange or burned, this one could be your reset. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike pure L-ascorbic acid, this version stays effective longer in the bottle and won't degrade in sunlight, so you actually get consistent results. The addition of aloe vera and jojoba oil soothes, while hyaluronic acid plumps. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and dermatologist-tested, ideal for daily use. Over 40,000 units sold last month shows strong trust. Now, some people said it didn't brighten as fast as they hoped. Here's the thing though. Gentle formulas take time, and this one prioritizes long-term health over instant drama. This is perfect for you if you have reactive or acne-prone skin and want steady, irritation-free brightening. Skip this one if you're looking for dramatic overnight results. For a clean, reliable daily serum, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, SoulCeuticals 20% Vitamin C Serum. SoulCeuticals brings K-Beauty potency with 20% vitamin C, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid, all for under $20. This one's bold. It promises visible results in 3 weeks, and the citrus scent gives it that fresh, active feel. If you want high-strength brightening without the luxury price tag, this is a serious contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 20% concentration is strong enough to fade sunspots and refine texture, while ferulic acid boosts antioxidant protection. It's designed to shrink pores, prevent breakouts, and smooth fine lines, all common concerns for aging or sun-damaged skin. Over 10,000 sold last month shows it's gaining traction. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong or the serum pilling under makeup. Here's the thing though. The citrus smell fades fast, and pilling usually means you're applying too much. Use just 2 to 3 drops and wait 30 seconds before moisturizing. This is perfect for you if you want clinical level results on a budget and don't mind a little scent. Skip this one if you're highly sensitive to fragrances or have very dry skin. It's better for normal to oily types. Product number 4, Natrium Vitamin C Complex Serum. Natrium Serum is all about science-backed simplicity. It uses pure L-ascorbic acid, plus kakadu plum, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and backs it with an 8-week clinical study showing improved fine lines in just 4 weeks. At $20.88, it's priced fairly for a dermatologist-tested vegan formula. If you want proven results without unnecessary fillers, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high concentration of stable vitamin C fights free radicals and boosts collagen, while hyaluronic acid and vitamin E lock in moisture and protect the barrier. It's pH balanced, fragrance-free, and safe for sensitive skin, though patch testing is recommended. Over 10,000 sold last month shows it's trusted by conscious consumers. Now, some people said it stings slightly at first. Here's the thing though, that's common with pure L-ascorbic acid, especially if your skin isn't used to it. Start every other day and build up. This is perfect for you if you want clinical efficacy, clean ingredients, and anti-aging benefits in one. Skip this one if you have extremely reactive skin or can't tolerate acidic formulas.
Product number 5, Eclat Skincare Vitamin C Serum. Eclat Serum uses 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, a next-gen vitamin C derivative that's more stable and less irritating than traditional forms. At $18.99, it's the most affordable on this list, yet packed with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vitamin E for a nourishing, glow-boosting effect. If you want radiant, plump skin without breaking the bank, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lightweight formula absorbs fast, doesn't pill, and works for all skin tones, including deeper complexions that often get overlooked. It targets dark spots, fine lines, and texture while delivering all-day hydration. Over 10,000 sold last month shows it's a hidden gem. Now, some people said they didn't see dramatic brightening right away. Here's the thing though, this is a maintenance serum, not a miracle worker. It builds glow over time with consistent use. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, inclusive, everyday serum that plays nice with makeup. Skip this one if you need intense correction for deep pigmentation. Go for higher concentrations instead. So, which one should you pick? Equalberry for sensitive skin and barrier repair, True Skin for gentle daily use, SoulCeuticals for strong brightening on a budget, Naturium for clinical results, or Eclat for an affordable, inclusive glow. All 5 deliver real hydration and vitamin C benefits. Just match the formula to your skin's needs. Don't forget to wear sunscreen. Vitamin C works best with SPF.